randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Hey, just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe. Jimmy, breathe! You can breathe, Jimmy! Oh, no.
Eli's Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
What? Ah! That can't happen. Jimmy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jimmy.
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups are gone, Jimmy. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those. I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
General, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there? Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to.
Ustedes es muy mal, tú debes de ver una patilla.
All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is blow. No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Blow. Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically. All right, it's not working. Come on, follow me.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jimmy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it. Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy? Oh, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk day coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time. Sherry, where's my dinner? Sherry, I got laid off to work today, Sherry. Sherry, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sherry? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boom! Yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. It's like scary. Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get them eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffrey, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffrey, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot. Bullseye.
Well, what are we going to do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay. On to stage 5.
Oh,
All right, to stage 5, we got a bomb here.
a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb. It's gonna get deactivated by cutting one of those wires. If he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
Zero black.
Yeah, we know. That's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffrey, I'm choosing wire.
But Daddy, I don't know which one to pick.
Just shoot the wire, Jimmy.
Oh, yeah, okay, that one.
They
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed with his on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But his hiccups gone. What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
What is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter. Make sure it's open.
Yeah.
Good. All right, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
What?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it. I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
You know, we tried all sorts of things, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What the curable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom! Alright, I have to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Oh,